So I joined Rain International November 2014. A friend of mine who is from Ghana introduced me about this product, Soul, because I'm diabetic. Yeah. So when you're diabetic, they give you metformin and simvastatin, isn't it? They start from those two medicines, and then my family, they said just like when you got your family diabetic, and most of them are diabetic as well. So I got it. So 10 years ago, they tell me as a diabetic. You know, my sugar is 18.
Is that high?
Yeah, of course, it's high.
The normal
When you got
one is,
18, it's high. When you got normal, it's below 7.
Okay. I see.
So,
That is high.
yeah, it's high. So after I tried this product, yeah, the first thing I noticed is I got more energy than before. When I'm taking metformin and simvastatin, I don't have energy. Yeah, because when you analyze your food, what you take, there's no nutrients, isn't it? From early in the morning up to evening, what nutrients do you put inside your body? Nothing, because mostly it's cooked already, isn't it? So compared to this one, it's all natural. Yeah, they're not cooked, they're seeds. So there are more nutrients. That's why we always emphasize nutrients is important in our body. That's why if you put a lot of nutrients in your body, you feel better and you got more energy than before. So that's what happened. So and then I introduced to someone else. So the same story. Yeah, they feel something. So I got a friend. They're couple. They're 71 years old, 72. Yeah, before they taking a lot of medicine. Now more than 1 year on the product. The guy only take 1 or 2 medicine in it. Yeah, so it reduced the medicine almost 9
more healthy.
and more healthy. Before because they're retired, isn't it? When they go travel, they're not happy because they're not healthy. Now they can travel again. That's why now. Last time they're just been in Las Vegas, September. Now they're in the Philippines now. They're staying there for 2 months. So they're enjoying themselves because when you're healthy,
Yes,
you're enjoying everything, isn't it? When you're not healthy, even though you're rich, what will gonna happen? You wanna enjoy it. So that's the thing. So health is wealth. So, thanks.